Welcome to our channel. If you want to access free hidden downloader codes that still work on your Fire Stick, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Fire Stick and search for the downloader app using the search function. Install it. Step 2. Launch downloader and click the URL input field on the main screen. Step 3. Enter one of the verified free hidden downloader codes and press Go to begin downloading. Step 4. Allow the APK file to download fully. Watch the progress indicator on screen. Step 5. When download completes, an installation prompt will appear. Click Install to proceed. Step 6. Wait for installation to finish, then click Done. Delete the APK file if desired. Step 7. Go back to your Fire Stick home screen and find the newly installed app in your applications. Step 8. Open the app and verify it's working properly. These hidden codes provide access to premium streaming content, exclusive apps, and special features still active in 2025. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.